Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to create a very nice beautiful double-sided padding card. So let's start the video. I'm creating with the gold and blue theme, so if you want to create any other theme you can choose your own color. So I just click on create a new and click on the print and take a size A4 and then click on the create. After this guys, you can see this is now horizontal and I don't want horizontal, so I want vertical. For this guys, go to image rotation and 90-degree clockwise. So this is now rotate, and after this guys, just take a rulers. It is in view. Okay, Control R is the shortcut and I press Ctrl T, so it's not working right now because the layer is locked. So just double click on this layer and unlock this layer and press Ctrl T. Now you can see guys, this is the center point of this canvas, so it's going here on this point. Okay, so I take a rulers and this one is the center of this canvas. Okay, and after this guys, I downloaded this texture. I will add in the link in my video description. I downloaded it from here, pixabay.com. Okay, so this is the image, and guys, this is my first channel, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and guys, for this image just click on the right click and click on the rotate 90-degree clockwise and set these textures on both page. So make sure this is our page. And just press Ctrl J, again duplicate it here. Okay, perfect. And after this guys, take a new layer and take a brush tool. So guys, I'm taking watercolor brush. I show you how to download. I already show you how to download brush and install, so I think I don't need to say again and again because you know, you watch my tutorial. Okay, so I'm taking this one brush. It is on 025 and just change the color something like this and draw it over here. Whatever you feel good, you can draw anything you want. Just change the color again, maybe something different from this, like this. Okay, and after this guys, just change the blending mode to multiply. Okay, and again take a new layer and take a mercury rectangle tool, draw it here, take a gradient and take a blue theme color. I already took dark blue, light, and you can change something dark here also. Okay, you can choose anything color you want, just try it here and change. You can change the blending mode, so I'm changing blending mode to multiply and just duplicate, pressing Ctrl J and drag it here. Okay, again guys, take a new layer on this watercolor textures. Okay, and press again brush tool and take splash brush. Okay, like this. Yeah, you can see more brushes. Okay, but I am looking to splash brush, so I'm sorry guys, I'm not sure where it is, so I'm just checking which one is best. I think this one is perfect. Okay, so for this I'm changing the brush color to white and I press B and just drag it, draw it here. Okay, on the corner, and then press Ctrl J, it's mean duplicate, and merge this layer by pressing Ctrl E. Again duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J and drag it here. So you need to off this layer so you can see this one. Okay, just press Ctrl T and flip vertical, flip horizontal and set to on this second page. Now visible both image. Okay, and after this guys, I have downloaded some borders. I have downloaded some borders already. So first of all guys, take a brush tool again, and I have some nice decorated borders. I downloaded it from devinart.com website. I just go to Google and type Devinart and just type here border. Okay, and after this guys, download it, you have to just double click and it will directly install. No need to do anything, it's very easy. So here you can see baby borders. I have so many nice borders. Okay, so I'm using this one. So I just take a new layer and I'm changing the color of this white and draw here like this. Okay, this is very easy and you can see it's so beautiful, amazing. Just draw on your all the card. Perfect. Okay, again guys, duplicate this decorative border by pressing Ctrl J and just set it on the bottom. Okay, and guys, after this, now I am putting my details. So I am typing here save the date and increasing the size of this, and I'm changing the font of this grade 5. And right now guys, you can see my all words are capital. So just click on this and uncheck this box, and we don't want bold. Okay, and the font name is grade 5. And guys, my wedding card is with blue and golden theme, so I want to change this text color into gold. So just double click on this, again click on this gradient, and I already choose the gradient colors. Okay, just select the yellow and light yellow and yellow. Okay, and guys, you can change here radial, anything you want. I think this is perfect for now, and I just click on this. Okay, so the text is now golden. So look, this one I created already, but I am teaching you how to do it. This is the couple's family name. So before adding text guys, I want to do one more thing, which is again take a brush tool, and I downloaded some corners. Corners which is in this link. I think I just take a new layer, brush tool. No, this is not this one. Comes AVR. Let me find it where it is. So this one, right? So guys, you can see I have so many nice decorative this corners. So guys, I downloaded it free, and you can just type on Google free corners, decorative corner, download, and you can find this easily. Actually I forgot to download the add link, because you can easily download guys. It's very pretty easy to download, and it's very pretty easy to install, because just click and it will automatically install. No need to do anything. So I'm taking first one design. Okay, so I just decrease the size of this and I put into this corner. Okay, and after this double click on this and apply the gradient overlay. Okay, and again press Ctrl J, Ctrl T and drag it here. Press flip vertical and flip horizontal and press enter, and then set it here. Okay guys, so I tell you little bit more option. Again I take a new layer, okay, and I press B, and I have some nice hand drawn brushes like this, and here is some decorative brushes guys. Take look, I also downloaded this brush from it's a very free, and I will add link in my video description. And after this guys, here is the decorative brush, and draw it here like this. So this is looking absolutely very royal kind of wedding invitation. Just draw like this, okay. And after this guys, change the blending mode of this luminosity and decrease the volume of this something very, we can see very opacity down. It should be opacity down, so we can only see it, that's it. So after this guys, the final thing, not final, take a new layer again, and take a brush tool again, and take a star drops. Here is the star, no sorry, not this one, this is my star layer, okay. Just draw here a star like this, add a star like this wherever you want, so this will look more galaxy type of. And guys, here you can, I think I have no need to say adding detail, how to add detail you can add from yourself. So, and one more thing guys, I show you, I just import the couple image. So this is my couple image, just decrease the size of this like this, and just remove the background of this by pen tool. And guys, after deleting the background, take a mask tool and take a gradient and take a black and white, and draw it like this, and I'm dragging it from bottom to top, so the image is now blend with the background. So that's all, and you can increase, decrease size and as you want. So guys, after this you can add your all the details and adjust all the details. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please hit the comment, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye bye.